Okay, dear student, as I told you, this is the video in order to explain what is going to be our final workshop for the first term. In the assignment part of your module of your virtual classroom, you will find this link and this. The first activity you are going to do is to select a group in which you are going to work with. So if you want to belong to the group number 1, you click here and you guardar mi selección, and you immediately be updated in this group. The same with the other groups. 2 members per each group maximum. Then after selecting your group, you can start solving the activity. This is the final workshop for the first term. Here it says that grupos enviados and maximum on Monday, next 14th of September. This activity will be considered as the final exam. Follow the instructions inside the document, and you will see the document probably not here for me, but for you it will appear the task. This is the document. It says language aptitude. The articles, it says based on the articles given, please complete the following table. So which are the articles, you might ask? The articles are, this is an example of the first article. You will find it there as a folder, in a folder. You find the name of the article, the author of the article, the main objective of the article in English, in Spanish, and in French. And then you will find information about the article. So after you read the article, then you start answering this question, just looking for information inside the article. What is the aim of the research? So as I showed you, the aim is this one. So you can just click, copy and paste. What is the aim? And the same with the rest of the workshop. What is the research question? What are the instruments they used? The participants, the methodology, the main results, and the main conclusion of the article. After you read, so you have this week to read the article given and complete this activity. During the class, you can answer the following question. Why those results? Do we have the same attitudes toward English here in our country? To answer the question, create a survey to find out the attitudes of people towards English varieties. Decide the tool, choose the participants, and brainstorm the questions here. Apply the survey to minimum 10 people. Present the results in a graphic with the main conclusions. So you will have the whole class to create the survey, to find out 10 people to ask for solving the survey, and then you will have the rest of the week to present the results in a graphic with the main conclusion. So what are you going to write here? The conclusions. What are the conclusions of the survey you did about the attitudes that people have towards English? So you can ask your other classmates, friends from other semesters to answer the question. Survey can be applied using the Google format. I'm going to show you in a couple of seconds how to do a survey. You click, if you are in your email, here you can find the formularios. It's like an application for Google. It's free, and you can start by doing white format. What is the name of the article? You can name attitudes towards English language, what is the question, the first question, what is the second question. You start including more questions here, more questions. It can be multiple choice, it can be a paragraph, it can be, it's better to use multiple choice, or desplegable, or quadricula, any of those. And then you can, after you finish this, you can just click here in send, and you will see that there is an option to send it just as a link. You copy this link and send it using your WhatsApp. You can send it to any person. Just say, please, dear friend, can you answer this survey? It is short and easy to do. Thanks. And you send the link, and that's it. You don't spend too much time sending the information to your classmates or partners. So using this format. Then when they answer the format, then they answer the survey, you can read the answers here. You can read the answers, and you can download the Excel document here, or here you can find the list of the answers. After you have the answers, you can analyze. The idea is to do a similar activity you found in this research. So as you can see in the research, at the end of the research, you can find pictures of the answers of the survey they did about the language aptitudes. You can use the same methodology they used to answer, to find out the aptitudes and the indicators, the conclusions. Look, they use tables, charts, just for every, so don't do too many questions. Try to maximum 5, 10, maximum 10 questions, and then you can just explore a good conclusion. At the end of the text, you will find the conclusions. I want to find the conclusions. Where are they? References. Here, this must be the conclusions. Discussions and conclusions. So you can use the same methodology they use, the way they express the answers of the survey, the conclusion they have towards the language aptitudes. For example, finally, as a student of Minuto, the question remains as a reason why language students in Minuto present more favorable attitudes than females in San Andres, but not in Providence, according to the cover, etc. You can use similar conclusions to use in your own task. So, once again, I repeat, you have on your virtual room, select the group number 1, then open the final workshop. There you can find the task. This is the task. For next class, you just need to read the article and complete the chart. During the class, you are going to create the survey and apply the survey to 10 people, different people. By groups, you can do it only by groups of 2 people. That's it. That's it. I hope you enjoy the activity. It's a really nice way to learn about language aptitudes towards different varieties of language, towards English, etc. Thank you so much. See you then.